CEO announces a major organizational transformation designed to improve performance and prepare the company for the future. At first, employees seem supportive, and leadership feels confident about the change. But within weeks, teams begin returning to old habits. Resistance spreads across departments, and momentum slowly disappears. The problem was not the strategy itself. It was the lack of a structured approach to guiding people through change. That is the foundation of Kotter's 8-step change model. In this video, we will explore what Kotter's 8-step change model is, how it works, and why it is widely used in change management. What is Kotter's 8-step change model? Kotter's 8-step change model is a change management framework developed by John Kotter to help organizations implement and sustain successful change. These steps help organizations manage change in a structured and sustainable way. Understanding the 8 steps of Kotter's model. Each step in Kotter's model plays an important role in helping organizations implement change successfully. Step 1. Create a sense of urgency. Employees must first understand why change is necessary and why immediate action is important. Step 2. Build a guiding coalition. Strong leaders and influential individuals work together to support and guide the change initiative. Step 3. Form a strategic vision. A clear vision is created to explain the purpose and direction of the change. Step 4. Communicate the vision. The vision must be communicated consistently across the organization to build understanding and support. Step 5. Remove obstacles. Barriers such as resistance, outdated processes, or communication gaps must be addressed. Step 6. Generate short-term wins. Small achievements are celebrated early to maintain confidence and motivation. Step 7. Sustain acceleration. Organizations continue improving and building momentum after initial success. Step 8. Anchor change in culture. The new behaviors and processes become part of the organization's long-term culture. How organizations use Kotter's model. Kotter's model helps leaders identify where employees may be struggling and what actions are needed to support successful adoption. For example, urgency helps employees understand the need for change. Communication improves organizational alignment. Short-term wins maintain motivation and confidence. Cultural integration helps sustain long-term change. This makes Kotter's model practical, scalable, and effective across different organizational environments. Benefits of Kotter's 8-step change model. Kotter's model provides organizations with a clear and structured framework for managing change successfully. Some key benefits of Kotter's model include improved success rates of change initiatives, encourages stronger leadership involvement, improves communication and employee engagement, reduces uncertainty and resistance, builds momentum through short-term achievements, supports long-term organizational transformation. By following a structured process, organizations can implement change more effectively and sustainably. Successful change requires more than introducing new systems or processes. It requires leadership, communication, and a structured approach that helps people adapt effectively. Kotter's 8-step change model provides managed properly, organizations improve engagement, reduce resistance, and achieve stronger long-term results. Subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more insights on leadership, management, and professional skills.